วัสดีค่ะ
Taxi. How many of them?
There's only us on
Phuket is packed, people everywhere. Look, all lining up outside number 6. Oh my goodness, why would you bother? Why would you bother? Packed. Don't know why people bother, mate. To get a feed, half the night's over, mate, by the time you get there. Crazy price. Just coming up to Bangla Road now, outside Taipan nightclub bar. Going from the other side. There's quite a few people out, mate. I can't believe there's so many people out and about, mate. Crazy. There we go, I can hear it from a mile away, the old Bangla. Hear it from a mile away. Live sports bar. Not many people in there yet. Still early days. Well, here we go again, guys. Still having a walk down Bangla to see what's going on. Saturday night. It's a buzzing. About 11 o'clock.
Was in a good position.
Yeah, absolutely. Could easily see it. People out and about, guys. Moulin Rouge show's about to start up there, I think. Going out in a sec. Everyone's going into Miami, Phuket nightclub. A few people going in. They look pretty old to be going into a nightclub. That surprises me. Kangaroo bar's pretty full. Very full, actually.
We're just friends.
Quite busy, isn't it? Plenty of people around. Hope you're enjoying the video as much as I am being here, guys. No, thank you. So you can actually enjoy a drink without being hassled by the girls. Heroes bar, the same thing. Aussie bar, the same thing, where you can actually just go there and have a drink and not get your balls busted, which is good. In Paradise, pretty quiet. Just down here. Going off. Pretty full, actually. People in there. Oh, you get taken for a ride in those bars, man. The girls onto you like vultures. Absolutely onto you like vultures. Cost you a fortune. Strongly suggest you stay away from them unless you want to throw away all your money. Then you'd be fine. You Now, I don't know if you heard me earlier, but a friend owns a bar there, a go-go bar. It's called Vixens. An Aussie couple, husband and wife, moved from Adelaide 6 months ago and decided to open up a bit of a go-go bar. It's called Vixens. Go there, check it out. They'll look after you. Tell them you know me. They'll look after you for sure, mate. They won't rip you at all, mate. It's actually a fully legit business in there. Everyone chilling out here in the lounge chairs. No, thank you, cup and cup. Everyone chilling out in those lounge chairs. Oh, these kids singing. Filling up with people, guys. If you've never gone to Bangla Road before, you need to check it out if you're in Phuket. Crazy times down here. Wait till it gets to 10 or 11 o'clock at night, mate. My goodness. That's Bangla Walking Street on a Saturday night. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.